Ladies and gentlemen, this is Phil Picott live from the Rhode Island Air Show in Quonset Point, Rhode Island. We're here for a fantastic weekend of flights and sights. As you would see in the background, I have a Boeing 747-200 series plane, one of many that will be on static display here at the Quonset Air Show. Unfortunately this year, the Air Force Thunderbirds will not be here due to the tragic event last week, also involving the Navy Blue Angels. But nonetheless, we'll still have a fun event, so stick around.